a note on literary club. That is why I'm extremely sorry once again.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. Respected dignitaries on the dais, respected faculties, and the students present here. To say about literary club, what you need to understand is how important literature is in life. No matter we have great number of politicians, celebrities, sports, and you have lots and lots and lots of things happening around. But one thing which is missing, which I keep saying, is emotion. And the only thing which can give you emotion is literature. It's only literature, Sahitya. And we encourage students, literary club, we encourage students to express their views, to express their emotions, to respect their creativity, their innovative ideas, everything. It is the only platform you can use for real literature purpose, art, any art. It could be poetry, it could be story, it could be any of the random thought, right? Only place where you can perform and express yourself, right? So you're all welcome. Please do participate. Please do become a member of the club. But to be very frank, it is no easy to get into literary club since the seats are limited only to 52. That's it. 52. So out of 550, 600 students, only 52 are allowed. And already we have 35. Your seniors and super seniors, right? So whoever is damn sure about your interest, please do join SDC Literary Club. And as Madam mentioned, it is the only literary club in the entire district. So I am thankful to Dr. Usha Gangadhara, Dr. Pushpalata, Vice Principal Professor Satyajit Ray, my department, particularly Department of English, and special thanks to Professor Gurunarayana PS. And I'm happy to tell about the club. Right? Thank you so much. Good luck.